Today we are going to look at this beautiful German kitchen center creation, located on Central Park West in New York City. And Xenia is going to show us some of its features.
I am an interior designer working at German Kitchen Center. The main goal of this kitchen renovation project was to change the layout of this kitchen so it will become ergonomic and functional. The initial kitchen was very dark and was just a long hallway of cabinets. A big part of this room was a laundry room where the kitchen table was located. So what we decided to do is to demolish laundry room walls and basically create a big space with a nice rectangular kitchen with an island in the center of it. In this kitchen we used two types of finishes: Icono for the upper and tall units, which is laminate imitating concrete, and we use Bondi on the base cabinets, which is matte lacquer finish with anti-fingerprint effect. We use top-mounted handles, which are very thin and modern, and they give a very elegant look to the entire project. A tricky part in this project was a corner, and we decided to place there an appliance garage with a roll-up door executed in a metal finish. This project is a great example of how changing the layout can transform the space drastically into a more functional and ergonomic space.
And we're just getting started with showcasing the beautiful kitchens in New York City and all across America. So please like and subscribe, and we'll make more videos and let you know when they're available.